So how to draw a reflection of an object. This is what this quick video about. Here's a practice. Now this is a plane mirror. Now plane mirror is just another name for a flat mirror. Here's the front side. Here's the back side. Notice the back side doesn't have any of these dashes. Now here's an object. Now when you look in the mirror, your image appears in the back of the mirror. Okay? So there are 7 steps to do this. First step, you label all your corners, okay? And you label them and you give them names A, B, and C. Okay? Step 1. Step 2, what you need to do is find the distance between, for example, we'll start at point A. Find the distance between point A to the mirror. Now to do this, and you have to do this accurately, the best thing you should do is using a normal straight ruler, but also use something like a triangular ruler. What you can do is this. You take the straight ruler, you put it along the plane mirror line, and when you slide this triangular ruler along this edge, you know for sure that you have a 90-degree angle. Okay? This doesn't seem to be that good of a ruler, so I'll try to use, actually this one is even worse. Actually no, this one is also pretty bad, so it doesn't matter. Anyways, with that being said, right now I can just draw when I draw a straight line. Now the rule is this: you must use a pencil and you should do it lightly. You should do this lightly, and right now because of my ruler it doesn't start 0 here, I'll take this off and measure with this one. So it's approximately 2.6 centimeters. So write it down. Okay? So you find the measurement. That's step 3. Step 4, what you do is you use a ruler, just extend this line over the back, lightly, again with a pencil. So as you hopefully you can see there is a faint black line. That's step 4. Step 5, as you know this portion is 2.6 centimeters, so I'll use the ruler and measure out 2.6 centimeters. Now here, this would be the location of my image of point A. So this part here, if I did it right, this should be the same distance to the back of the mirror as this one is to the front of the mirror. You follow? Okay? So that's labeled at AI. I stands for image. Now you do exactly the same step, okay, and I'll do it very quickly. Okay, do this all fairly quickly. Draw the straight perpendicular line. Find the measurements. This is 4.3. This is 3.1. Extend the line to the other side lightly. And lightly measure out the same distance again. 4.3, 4.3, 3.1, 3.1. Okay, so this should be my image point B, image point C. I have all 3 points now. Now the last step, what you do is join all these points, well, appropriately, of course, A to B. So you join them together, but you will join them with a broken line. As the rule goes, use broken line to show images and normal lines, okay? Because those things doesn't necessarily physically, well, yeah, they're not physically there. That's why I use broken lines for them. Okay? And voila, this is the image of my shape. Okay? This is the image of my shape. Note that I use all of it is done with pencil, and this is darker lines, and I just use a very faint line for it. You must leave all these things here. Do not, at the end of it, erase any of it, because it is like showing your work. Just like a word problem, you don't do your work and then you erase it, okay? You just don't, okay? I hope you understand this. Now when you come back, especially for those of you who are away, make sure you do this as practice, because this is very, very important.